Robots have infiltrated the human world. They are defined as programmable machines or gadgets that can replace humans in performing a range of tasks by executing input commands. As the world looks forward to a future of artificial intelligence, and with further integration of robotic equipment, the need for people with science, technology, engineering, and math skills, STEM for short, will be imperative in the workforce. So of course, robotics in education. Robotics is a fun way to bring STEM to life, and working with robotics in the classroom can help to strengthen and support students' skills in developing their knowledge through the creation, design, assembly, and operation of robots. Robotics can be that launching pad for students to realize some of their passions they didn't know existed, and it can be used to teach essential teamwork and problem-solving skills through collaboration and exposure. Robotics in the classroom can also be used to teach skills such as the preventative maintenance and services, as well as safety, which can be further utilized in on-the-job training and or give students baseline skills that will advance with further education in the robotics fields. These are just a few of the many reasons why robotics in education. With the zSpace platform and the robotics applications, students get the capabilities to interact, troubleshoot, perform some of the preventative maintenance and services, learn about the safety issues, as well as have hands-on disassembly and reassembly activities with the various robotic components and systems. This video you're watching, I'm using the robotic mechanic application, which can be used to expose and teach the steps in the performing preventative maintenance checks and services, as well as routine repair, and how to recognize potential maintenance issues within the basic production systems, such as the electrical and hydraulic systems. Within the bearings and couplings and belt chains or drives, you also get exposure and learn how to take care of those as well. To find out more information about zSpace and all of the great applications offered, please visit zSpace.com.